Hi, I'm Tim and welcome to my YouTube channel 40 Times Around, where we talk about everything related to motorcycles, camping, travel, and adventure. On this channel we put out tips and trick videos, tutorials, gear reviews, and more every Tuesday and Friday morning. So if you're as passionate about motorcycle camping and traveling on motorcycles and just adventure in general, then make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that little bell. That way you guys don't miss anything whenever I post something new. I love to share my practical advice about moto travel, camping, and sometimes I just like to talk about interesting related topics like listening to music on a motorcycle. Maybe just try to offer a new way of approaching certain aspects of motorcycle travel. I try to cover a wide range of topics that are suited to anyone, whether you're someone just thinking about getting into motorcycle travel and camping, or if you've been doing it for a while and you're just looking for some more advanced topics, well, we do that too. We cover all kinds of things like 5 mistakes that you should avoid making on a long motorcycle trip, how to plan an itinerary for a motorcycle trip, 5 hacks for long distance motorcycle travel, post-trip depression. We're going to talk about what it is and how you can deal with it. The top 5 apps that you should have on your smartphone, how I pack for a long motorcycle trip, how to choose a tent for your next motorcycle camping trip, how to add electrical accessories to your motorcycle without overdrawing from your charging system. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then you're in the right place. We also do a monthly Q&A, so make sure to jump in on the conversation and let us know what topics you want to learn more about. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.